Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We heartily welcome you all to our YouTube channel cadcaemaster. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. So here I would like to quickly showcase how exactly we can utilize ANSA 24 module buttons inside the ANSA 25 if you are facing any difficulties in smooth migrating to 25. So temporarily how we could use it, and if you are still feeling some difficulties in accessing some of the tools, or in that case how we can activate the 24 module buttons, that we'll see in this session. Okay, let's get started with this. Well, this is the user interface, how it exactly looks like in ANSA 25. Now we have all the tools available here. Sometimes you might not get some of the tools, like let's say a structural I would like to switch, analysis structural. So in this we have the create elements RB2. Sometimes you won't get unbranch options here. So similarly you might not get few of the tools, so which you might need to search by using the search bar, even though you might not get in the search bar. In that case you might need to utilize the old version module buttons. Let's say in the geometry, if I activate the geometry, I have the fill, but this fill is direct fill, but I don't have the advanced option like the Coons, Draft, Best Fitted in this. So again, to access that things, I might need the older version model buttons. In that case, you can just go to this windows. From here you have the panels. From the panels you activate this model buttons. Once you do that, you'll be having the 24 version model buttons incorporated here. Once you switch to any of the things, let's say this is the classic mesh, it will directly switch to the surface mesh. If you switch to the volume mesh, here also it will switch to volume mesh. But for example, if I switch to the OptiStruct, it goes to the structural. Here if I try to utilize the same the elements RB2, you don't have the unbranch, but here the structural, if I directly go to the RB2, I have the branch and unbranch option. Okay, and then if I can switch to the classic mesh, I have the fill, manual fill, other options too. Okay, so this is the advanced way to just deal with this. Let's say here if I just select this one, I have all the options to select, but here in the geometry and fill, so I just rather need to select, and tool will decide what needs to be done. So yeah, so likewise sometimes you might not get few tools, so that time you can access this intermediate 24 version model button, and you can start working on ANSA 25 as you do in 24. Yeah, so that's all from this session. Thank you. We heartily thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram for behind the scenes content and the updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.